Okay, let's go YouTube. If this is your first time here, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. If you like this video, I'm gonna be teaching y'all today how to do this high ball fade with a number 3 on top. I'm doing it on my boy Ricky G. I've been cutting his hair for some years now, and it's pretty simple because I'm used to cutting his hair already. So let's go. Okay, since we're doing a high ball fade, we're gonna start this initial guideline pretty high all the way around. Make sure it's even on both sides. You don't want one side being higher than the other. Then after we do that, we'll start the fade. So he likes his skin tight on the sides. Some people do, some people don't. So we're gonna grab our box shaver, start to shave the sides. Just make sure you don't come all the way up to that line and create another hard line, because then it'll be harder for you to come back and try to fade that line out. Okay, so this technique is a much easier technique than other techniques, like as in going and grabbing your one and coming back down and fading it out. So basically right here, I'm gonna just fade up. So I just close my lever, blend it up some, and then fade it up. And then I'm gonna open it up about halfway, blend it up some more. And then after I do that, I'm gonna come back to the front. I'm gonna open it all the way. Once you open the guard all the way open, start to blend that out. And then after this, we're gonna grab our number 1 guard. All right, so right here, we're grabbing our number 1 and we're gonna close the lever all the way. Start to fade out. As you fade out, once you get to the next step, you're gonna go ahead and open it up about halfway again. Bam. And then you're gonna fade it up some more. Boom, 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 boom. Then after you do that, you're gonna open it all the way, and that should take it all the way out. And if you have to, grab your number 2 and blend it into that 3. But if you're pretty good at flicking out that flick out motion, then you should be able to take that line out. Okay, so now I'm basically just coming back and detailing everything, making sure the fade looks more blurry. Add that extra step, come back and see any dark areas and hit them up. Make sure it looks good. Then after we do this, we'll put the edge up on there and do the other side. Same thing, same steps. A good way to start the edge up is to kind of start from the middle, so you can know where you're at when you're doing that corner coming down. Make sure you don't pass that corner of that eyebrow, because then you're gonna push them back, and some clients get mad over that. You don't want that to happen. You want it to look good. Okay, so same thing we did on the other side, we're gonna do on this side also. I'm doing it with the lever closed right now. Just touching it up. You're gonna come back and open it up gradually and start to fading it out. And also remember, when you're doing your steps, you're gonna see some lines in there that you missed, but it's all good. Just make sure you do all your steps first, and then once you get the steps done and you blend it all out, you come back to the bottom and then you detail. That's what detailing is for. That's what makes the haircut pop. So make sure you get your steps down, and then after that, come back and detail all you need. Okay. Every time Ricky comes and gets a haircut, he wants the screw hook in his hair. So, I couldn't finish the haircut without putting it in there. Some of y'all call it a half moon, but we call it a screw hook. So, there it goes. All right, there y'all have it. Here's the before, and then bam, there's the after. Brought my boy Ricky back to life. Y'all make sure y'all like, follow, and subscribe. Thank y'all very much. Peace.